Here in front of me, I have the Kryptonite Heavy Duty New York chain for your bike. It's a bike lock, scooter lock. You might even use it for your propane tank. But this is what it is, and this is what it looks like. It's not light, it's heavy duty. And the cylinders for the chain itself are about 12 millimeter. And the weight on this is about 10 pounds. So if it's a deal breaker to have this much extra weight on you while you're riding, maybe you want to get something lighter. But if you're set on protection and security of your item, of your possession, then maybe you want to get something like this.